I'm going to show you how you can add these checkboxes or ticks into Excel. First, let's just select on the cell we want to add that symbol to. Go to the Insert tab over here. Then on the right hand side, go to Symbols. This is the part where I normally get caught out. So in the font, select Windings or Wingdings. Now scroll through that until you find the symbol that you want to add. So there it is. Hit that, Insert, and that should have appeared. There it is. And now if I want to add another one, I'll have to close that and go back there, go back to the Insert tab, Symbols, and pick another symbol, Insert. As with any other text in Excel, you can then change the color and the size. So if I go there, I can change the color as well as the size. And then from there, you can just copy and paste into any other cell. That's how you can add checks and ticks to your Excel sheet.